How's it guys? Peter here. I know that it's been quite a while since I last talked about crypto on this channel, and considering the utter chaos the world has been in the past 3 months, it is understandable that many people have steered away from this risky asset class towards more conservative investments. But as the turbulence in the stock market started to stabilize, the interest in crypto also seemed to have picked up again. And even though Bitcoin received the badge of being the best performing asset over the last decade, many people are still very cautious to dip their toes into cryptocurrencies. But getting started with crypto do not have to be overwhelming, and you really do not have to be an expert to know which coins will be the next big thing to invest in. And that is why in today's video, I will be reviewing one of my personal favorite crypto investment platforms, namely Revix, which kind of revolutionized the crypto space in South Africa by offering products that makes it really easy and safe to get started with investing in crypto. I will quickly go over the history and team behind Revix, show you exactly what the platform looks like, give you a short overview of all the different products available on the platform. We'll talk about their fees, their awesome rewards program, what safety measures they have in place, how good the customer support is, and at the end, I will give you my honest recommendation on who I believe would benefit from using Revix. So, let's get started. Revix is a relatively new Cape Town-based cryptocurrency investment platform that was founded in 2018 by Sean Saunders, a chartered financial analyst and fintech entrepreneur who had the vision to empower everyday people to become their own wealth managers and to make investing in emerging sectors, technologies, and asset classes more accessible to everyone. Its offices are based in both Cape Town and London. Its services are available to more than 50 countries, and according to their website, their team consists out of 25 team members, 8 advisors, and 6 partners. Revix is backed by one of the oldest and most reputable JSE listed entities, namely Subvest Capital Limited, which is an investment group with a market cap of 2.45 billion rand that has been listed on the JSE since 1988. Alright, so the sign up process of Revix is really simple and easy. You can either go to their website and click on Get Started, or if you want to be smart, you can click on my referral link down in the description, after which you'll get a lekker 400 Rand free cash voucher when depositing and investing 500 Rand or more until the end of April 2020, or a 200 Rand cash voucher after the promotion ended, which is still a pretty good deal. Signing up is really straightforward. Just follow the on-screen commands and you should have your basic account set up and have access to the Revix dashboard in less than 5 minutes. But in order to gain the most benefits from using this platform, you will have to verify your account. Now, Revix has 2 different tiers of verification, both with their own deposit and withdrawal limits. When you open an account, verify your email address, mobile number, residential address, and photo ID, you'll have access to Tier 1, which has a deposit and withdrawal limit of 2 million Rand per month. Once you verified your bank account as well as your source of funds, you'll have access to Tier 2, where your deposit and withdrawal limits are bumped up to 10 million Rand each per month, as if anyone has that much money to play with crypto. You can deposit both fiat and crypto funds into the Revix platform. For fiat funds, Revix will only accept funds from your registered bank account, so you will not be allowed to send funds from a family member, friend, or business bank account. In order to deposit rands, Revix will give you a payment reference, which you will need to use when making an EFT payment to Revix's bank account. You can then also upload a proof of payment to help speed up the process. For crypto funds, Revix accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash at the time of making this video. Revix will show a temporary crypto deposit address as well as a temporary QR code, which you will need to use to deposit your crypto funds within 60 minutes. You can deposit as little as 50 Rand into your Revix wallet at a time, but the minimum purchase amount for products on the Revix platform is 150 Rand. I personally only used the EFT fiat transfer function so far, and in my experience, the funds have always reflected within the same business day. For withdrawals, you will have to convert your crypto to either Bitcoin or South African Rands, as these are the only two currencies that Revix currently supports for withdrawals. Your Rands will be deposited back into your bank account, and your Bitcoin will be transferred to your Bitcoin wallet, for which you will need to add your Bitcoin address as well. Alright, so now let's see what the Revix platform actually looks like. Although they don't yet have a mobile app available, the website is built for both mobile and desktop use so that you can enjoy the full functionality of the Revix platform across many different devices. Under the Portfolio tab, you can see your portfolio and cash balance. Cash balance is basically the money you have available to invest, and portfolio balance is the funds that are already invested. Under that, you will see the percentage and fiat change of your portfolio over the selected time period, and to the right, you can see a circle graph displaying the weight of each one of your investment products. Under your holdings, you will see each one of the products that you are currently invested in, each one with its balance, latest price, percentage gain or loss, and the gain or loss in Rand terms. On the top right hand side, you will see the performance of your portfolio over different periods, and in this example, you can select 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 3 months, and 6 months. This portfolio is updated every 15 minutes, and it displays your total portfolio balance, which also includes all fiat cash balances. Under this graph, Revix will show you the top 3 performance for the time period selected, and under that, they will give you any important messages or notifications. As you can see, the platform is quite simple, easy to navigate, and rather self-explanatory. The deposit, withdraw, invest, and sell buttons are all very clearly visible on the homepage, and the instructions for each one of these commands are really easy to follow. The products tab is neatly arranged and can be filtered by either crypto or themes. I will get into more detail on what products Revix offers in a minute, but just to give you an idea, you can see the product name, a short description, the product's performance, and the current price. You can change the time period on the right, and if you want to have more info on a specific product, you can just click on it, and then Revix will give you a comprehensive breakdown of what the product is, how it works, and why you should consider investing in it. It also provides the product's latest fact sheet and white paper or bundle methodology, which can be downloaded and viewed on your computer. Revix also has a savings vault where you can store your crypto to earn some lacquer passive interest, which I will also get to in a minute. And then under the rewards tab, Revix will show you how many Revix points you currently have available, all the different tasks that you need to complete to earn extra Revix points. It will give you a list of all your past referrals, and on the right side, you can see your current rewards level as well as all the perks included within that level. You will see a graph indicating how far you are from reaching your next level, and then under that, you can find some additional info on how you can earn, level up, and redeem your Revix rewards points. Under profile, you will see your portfolio balance breakdown again, some more personal details, as well as your account details that are broken down into your banking details, Bitcoin address, email address, and password. It is obviously always a good idea to go through all of this to make sure your info is both correct and up to date. Under transactions, you can see a list of pending and past transactions, deposits and withdrawals, interest in your savings account, and rewards allocated to your account. You also have the option to download these transactions should you need them for any bookkeeping. Then the last tab on the menu is the Resources tab, which contains links to info on the Revix website with regards to FAQs, fees, guides, and just a bunch of legal stuff. And then there are also links to Revix's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter pages at the bottom, a link to the email address, and at the right bottom corner, you can have access to the live chat should you have any specific questions. They will typically reply within 1 hour during the day. Okay, cool. And now that you have a proper overview of what the platform looks like, next, let's see what products Revix offers. At the moment, you can buy 8 different crypto coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Uniswap, Polkadot, Solana, Binance, and Terra, as well as 2 stablecoins, including Pax Gold, which is a token backed by physical gold, and USD Coin, which is a token backed by the US dollar. But what makes Revix unique, and the main reason why I personally use their platform, is because of the bundles that they offer. There are currently 5 different bundles available. the top 10 bundle, which contains the 10 biggest crypto coins by market cap, but where each crypto coin is equally weighted. The smart contract bundle, which tracks the top 5 smart contract focused cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Terra, and Solana. The payment bundle, which tracks the top 5 digital payment focused cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, and Stellar. The DeFi bundle, which holds the top 10 decentralized finance focused cryptocurrencies like Uniswap, Aave, PancakeSwap, Rune, and Curve. And then lastly, the Inflation Shield bundle that contains a combination of Bitcoin and Pax Gold. Revix also offers a USDC vault where you can store your USD stablecoin whilst earning a secure, high yield return passively, which average around 4.42% over the past year. These funds are accessible within 24 hours. It provides a hedge against a falling rand as it is backed by the US dollar, and it should, under normal circumstances, not the crazy ones we are currently experiencing, give you inflation beating returns. Revix is also in the process of launching a bunch of ETF-like products in the form of digital innovative themes, mainly focusing on emerging fourth industrial revolution investment opportunities, like for example, artificial intelligence, biotech, robotics, cybersecurity, and electric vehicles. According to the website, these products should become available within this year, so I am really excited to see what they will put together in this space. When it comes to fees, many of the bigger crypto exchanges have very complicated fee structures. But with Revix, the fee structure is transparent and easy to understand and quite reasonable when compared to the industry average. For buy or sell transactions, you will be charged a 1% trading fee with a minimum trade charge of 20 Rand. If you want to withdraw money, you will need to pay a flat fee of 50 Rand when withdrawing ZAR or 0.0005 BTC when withdrawing Bitcoin. And when investing in a Revix bundle, an additional bundle rebalancing fee of 0.17% per month or 2.04% per year will be charged. Revix does not charge any monthly platform, storage, performance, or deposit fees, which again makes the fee structure really attractive when compared to its competitors. Revix is the first crypto investment platform in South Africa that offers a behavioral loyalty and rewards program where customers can earn points simply by completing simple tasks like referring a friend, completing a survey, or making an investment. These points will then help you move up different reward levels ranging from blue to VIP, with each reward level offering discounts on your transaction fees and other perks such as free merchandise and a dedicated account manager. Your points can also be redeemed for Bitcoin once it is more than 200, with each point being worth 2 Rand. Your Revix points will also never expire, and you won't move down a reward level once you redeem your points for Bitcoin. Now, one of the most important criteria when deciding on a crypto platform is the security of your funds. There is no shortage of horror stories where crypto exchanges get hacked and people losing a ton of money. So let's see what security measures Revix put in place to help protect your funds. Revix only trades on the most reputable global exchanges. They combined cold storage, aka multi-signature encrypted offline wallets in multiple vaults. They have a military-grade firewall server that encrypts all your personal data to ensure your personal data is safe and secure. They use bank-grade security protocols to secure your cryptocurrencies, and they perform regular security audits. Revix uses Marzaj, a leading international audit, tax and advisory firm, to perform quarterly proof of reserve reports on the assets under custody, and this report is freely available on the Revix website to view and download. Revix also has two-factor authentication available, which is a much needed extra layer of security in today's day and age. Now, I am no tech guru, but from my research and my own personal experience, Revix is a very safe platform to use, as I have personally never had any problems with funds going missing so far. The customer support from Revix is very good in my opinion, as they are very quick to respond in both their online chatbot on the website as well as through their email address. Revix does not currently provide any official tax-related statements, but they do provide account statements indicating your total profit or loss over a set period, which you can use for tax purposes. Revix acquired 58.5 million Rand in offshore capital funding in April 2021, which they are now using to launch a mobile app, to develop the fourth industrial revolution themes, and to expand their services into the European Union. They have a very strong drive to make investing in futuristic emerging markets available to us normal retail investors, and together with their crypto offerings and the innovative team behind it, I strongly believe that it will see rapid growth in the next couple of years. Okay, so now for the final verdict. Should you use Revix? Considering everything, Revix is simple and easy to use, their fee structure is transparent, their customer service is top-notch, overall they have excellent reviews online, and they have hands down the best rewards program out of any other crypto exchange in South Africa. I therefore believe that Revix is an excellent platform for beginners who just want to dip their toes into getting started with crypto, especially with the crypto bundles, without wanting to take on too much risk by betting everything on individual crypto coins. But just as Revix simplifies investing by only offering a small number of coins to invest in, it might not be ideal for someone who wants to take a swing at the dark arts of crypto trading. Since I've joined Revix about 8 months ago, their product offering has rapidly expanded, and seeing that they are planning on releasing a bunch of interesting new investment baskets in the near future, I believe that this platform will only grow bigger and stronger as time goes by. So if you are still on the edge of taking the leap into the crypto asset class, then my suggestion would be to just put a small amount, not more than 5% of your investment portfolio, into a well-diversified product such as the top 10 Revix bundle. This will provide a lot of diversification whilst minimizing your risk, and it will just get you started into the crypto space, and after you get a bit more comfortable, you can move on to the more advanced products. And remember, if you sign up using my referral link, you will get a lekker 400 Rand cash voucher once you deposit and invest 500 Rand. That is an immediate 80% return on your investment, so don't miss out on this great opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know down in comments what your thoughts are on Revix and if you have any experience on using the platform yourself. You must all have a lekker day. Cheers.